Is there a purpose for the shape of the scroll aside of the appearance? Well, the only practical function it might be to hang hang on the instruments, but the purpose it's mostly decorative. The shape of the scroll is mostly decorative, and it's based on golden ratio. So it's a spiral, which makes sense because the whole violin is comes from a complex geometrical scheme of curves, all relation. So the scroll is also a geometrical drone. Okay. Although in the past, especially in the Baroque time, there were also necks that were carved in forms of human heads or animal heads. And I'm telling you more, the quality of the carving, the style, everything about the craftsmanship in the carving of the scroll, it, it says a lot about the maker. So it's really a stylish science. Indeed, I'm going to show you some here. A beautiful poster of all the most important Italian maker scrolls. Because this is really distinctive of the style of the maker. So it's kind of a sign. Instead of the hands right, you sign yourself by your carving heart, by your carving skills.